Okay, so hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to blend the two pictures in Photoshop, the tree and the plant. Okay, so now let's see all together. Okay, we go to the first layer in here and right click and we use select blending. Okay, and underlying layer. So we drag to the middle. Okay, like here, and you see. Okay, see this is the airplane is behind the tree. Okay, we let preview like this. Okay, and then we click OK, and we go to image, adjust, and we choose match color. Okay, the source in here. The source in here we choose this one, 3JPG. Okay, layer, choose background, and then we apply fades in here. Okay, use 50, then let preview. Okay, like this. Okay, and then click OK. So you see in here the aeroplane is similar to the color of the trees. Okay, so that's all for my video. Right, if you think that it is important and good for you, don't forget click like, share, and subscribe to my channel also. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.